Assalam Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Salam wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. How are you, Maida?
I'm good.
MashaAllah. How was your weekend?
It was good. How was yours?
Was good, MashaAllah. Okay. Did you practice the lesson?
Once.
Yes, that's more than enough if you can read without mistakes. Okay, so can you read these two lines now?
Sa double
Read Bismillah first.
fatha. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sa double fatha. So.
Who taught you this?
You.
No, I didn't teach like this. What is the sound of Tanween? Hmm?
U.
No. Tanween. Double fatha. What is the sound of this? Hmm? Why don't you practice? Look, Aisha. These three, double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, these are called tanween.
Yeah.
And their sound is this. This is their sound.
No. Noon.
This.
Noon.
Not noon. This.
No.
Yes, only. Yes, this is their sound. And this is fatha. This is kasra. And this is dhamma.
Okay.
Yes. With fatha, A. With kasra, I. With dhamma, U. Now tell me what this sounds like.
Sa double fatha sun.
Yes, not so. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, I thought you like this. Yes, next one.
Sa double kasra sin.
Go on.
Sa double dhamma sin.
No.
Sun.
Yes. All of them together.
Sun, sin, sun.
Yes, next three.
Dal. No, dal.
Dal with dhamma.
Dal.
Dal,
Double. Dal. Double. Fatha.
not
Da.
dal. Not dal. Dal is
Da.
without the dot. This is the
Dal.
softer one. Dal, yes.
Val. Double. Fatha. Than. Dal. Double kasra. Din. The double dhamma dun. Tha, Dhin, Dhun.
Zan, Zin, Zun, not the. Zan.
Zan, Zin, Zun.
Yes, next.
Sod, Fa, Wow,
Read these letters. Don't guess like this.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za.
Continue, finish it.
Ta, Za, Ain, Gain, Fa, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Wow, Ha, Hamza, Ya.
Yes, now read from opposite side.
Ya, Hamza, Ha, Wow, Nun, Mim, Lam, Kaf, Kof, Fa, Gain, Ayin, Zo, To, Dod, Sod, Shin, Sin, Za, Ro, Dal, Dal, Kaf, Ha,
Huh? What did you say
Ha,
this?
Kha,
Hmm.
Ha, Jim, Sa, Ta, Ba, Alif.
Okay, now continue from here.
To,
No. Ta is
Zo,
without dot. Yes.
Zo, double Fatha, Zan.
Hmm.
Zo, double Kasra, Zin. Zo, double Dhamma, Zun. Za, Zin, Zun.
Say again.
Za, Zin, Zun.
Why are you saying za?
Za,
Not za.
Zin,
Try again.
So,
Zan Maida. Zan. In sound, you have to make in sound. Otherwise, this would be only single fatha, not double fatha.
Zon, Zin, Zun.
Yes. Next three.
Ro,
Not raw. Raw has a dot. Without dot.
Za,
Yes.
Zan, Zin,
Not like this.
Zun. Oh yeah. Za, double Fatha, Zan, Za, double Kasra, Zin, Za, double Dhamma, Zun. Za, Zan, Zin, Zun.
Yes, Maida, this is not enough. You have to pay some attention to this thing as well. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Practice sometime. Really, I try to explain everything to you in a clear way, and you're doing like this. You get confused even sometime about letters, then how would you continue this? Okay, pay attention now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sin double fatha san.
Sin double fatha san.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double dhamma sun.
Sin double zamazun.
Sun.
Sun.
San. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
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 Again. Sin double fatha san.
Sin double fatha san.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double dhamma sun.
Sin double damasun.
San. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Yes. Next. Sad double fatha san.
Sod double fatha sun.
Sad double kasra sin.
Sod double kasra sin.
Sad double dhamma sun.
Sod double damasun.
San. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Again. Sad double fatha san.
Sod double fatha sun.
Sad double kasra sin.
Sod double kasra sin.
Sad double dhamma sun.
Sod double damasun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Again this line. Sin double fatha san.
Sin double fatha sun.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double dhamma sun.
Sin double damasun.
San. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Sad double fatha san.
Sod double fatha sun.
Sad double kasra sin.
Sod double kasra sin.
Sad double dhamma sun.
Sod double damasun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Sun. Sin. Sun.
Ta double fatha tan.
Da double fatha dan.
Ta double kasra tin.
Da double kasra tin.
Ta double dhammatun.
Da double damatun.
Tan tin tun.
Dan tin tun.
Again. Ta double fathatan.
Da double fatha dan.
Ta double kasratin.
Da double kasra tin.
Ta double dhammatun.
Da double damatun.
Tan tin tun.
Dan tin tun.
Next three. Dal. This is dal. Look without dot. Dal double fathadan.
Dal double fatha dan.
Dal double kasradin.
Dal double kasra din.
Dal double dhammadun.
Dal double damadun.
Dan din dun.
Dan din dun.
Yes, once again. Dal double fatha dan.
Dal double fatha dan.
Dal double kasra din.
Dal double kasra din.
Dal double dhamma dun.
Dal double dhamma dun.
Dan din dun.
Dan din dun.
Yes, once again, all of these. Sin double fatha san.
Sin double patha san.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double kasra sin.
Sin double dhamma sun.
Sin double dhamma sun.
San sin sun.
San sin sun.
Next three. Sad double fatha san.
Sad double fatha sun.
Sad double kasra sin.
Sad double kasra sin.
Sad double dhamma sun.
Sad double dhamma sun.
Sun sin sun.
San sin sun.
Yes, next three. Ta double fathatan.
Da double fathatan.
Ta double kasratin.
Da double kasratin.
Ta double dhammatun.
Da double dhammatun.
Tan tin tun.
Dan tin tun.
Yes, next three. Dal double fathadan.
Dal double fathadan.
Dal double kasradin.
Dal double kasradin.
Dal double dhammadun.
Dal double dhammadun.
Dan din dun.
Dan din dun.
Okay, can you read it once?
Sin double fathah si.
No, I didn't say sin.
San.
Say again.
Sin double fathah si. San.
Mm.
Sin double kasra sin. Sin double dhamma sun. San. Sin sun.
Yes, next three.
Sod.
Mm.
Sod double fathah sa.
No.
San.
Yes, son.
Sod double kasra sin. Sod double dhamma sun. Sa. Son. Sin. Sun.
Yes. Next
Da
three.
double. Da double kasra tan. Da double. Da double fathah tan.
Mm.
Da double kasra tin. Da double dhamma tun. Da dan tin tun.
Yes, well done.
Dal double fathah dan. Dal double kasra din. Dal double dhamma dun. Dan din dun.
Yes, Maida. Just practice these two lines for today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think this is enough for today. And also